iPirates wayimatcha pound to pound iba frustrated and mayikwazi ukuthi iyazenzela kuwe iyakufaulisha. That was done by iPirates first half. Second half okay abe khona ama changes waphuma umthetho kube sekubonakala ngoba abanye babadlali bathe ukuphefumula bathi hu like the likes of abo Police sephumile uLokhujana umthetho.
Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele aka uDonsa Nkabi. We are back with another video. Namhlanje it was the biggest game on the continent. Orlando Pirates hosting Kaizer Chiefs in their backyard FNB Stadium. Njengamanje ngihamba noSibuda Lebuda. Sibuda fethu ngicela ungitshele ukuthi umdlalo ubona kanjani. But before we go to the game, remember to follow us on YouTube at Starting 11 XI 11 wenamba then bese kuba XI umdlalo uphele ngedraw ka 1-1 then Sibuda abantu bakorile uModi and noSibelebele.
Yeah,
yes, so Sibuda ibona kanjani igame?
Nginibingelele bonke balandeli bethu, sibonga umdala ukuthi usasigcinile sithole leli thuba. Yeah, idlalile iOrlando Buccaneers versus iKaizer Chiefs. Ngaye ngakusho ngathi iPirates iyazitholela kwegulayo ngisazophinda futhi beyingekho first half for 45 minutes egulayo. Number 2 uNdlovu azangamhloniphe lo muntu okuthiwa uyiplayer of the season azangabe na impact ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Ubengamhloniphi ubengafuni nakumbona. Okunye futhi engingakusho ureferee ubesehlangothini lePirates. Undaba uTito bekumele bathole ama yellow cards. Undaba wenza ama tackles ayithweshaya umuntu wenza within 3 seconds wenza ama tackle ayi2 ekhahlela umuntu engatholi bola akazange athole card bekwisihlangothini lePirates. Yeah, size la kwigoal. Okay, iChiefs yenze kahle yafaka umthetho. Ubeya kuyo defender umthetho. Azange bayenze le islogan sanamhlanje okanye irule yanamhlanje beyithi pass ibhola on time. Wangaliphasa on time uzoluza lelo bhola lelo ifike nomthetho. Yeah, azange bayenze lento iPirates yayenza last Lokhujana. Ingubo zodwa bezingekho zongcobo noDa Silva for 45 minutes. Buku ukuthi iChiefs iperforme kanjani. Imatch pound to pound iPirates. Right from uNdlovu emaka umfukeng. Lelo bhola lithathwa linika uLelepo from uLelepo to uDuba wa relax waba cool calm and collected.
Assist.
And then waphasa ibhola lahlangana nomuntu obene accurate conviction of a goal la Kalenetin yalida iKaizer Fish okuyinto engenzekanga kwi first leg yale fixture abhala amakhosi yabo. Then siye imatch le pound to pound iPirates futhi beyine low block emnandi yaba iPirates be frustrated too much yenza ama foul efuze ngayenza ithola kuama card ngenxa yokuthi ababajwayela abantu abakwazi ukubadlulisa ngebhola. Yazi ukuthi iyathathela ibhola because namhlanje ayikwazanga ukuyithathela ibhola iPirates kwiKaizer Chiefs. Yaba frustrator bedlala irough iPirates into eyenzile and ureferee ubengakhiphanga card. Okuyinto ebonakalayo ukuthi iPirates wayimatcha pound to pound iba frustrated and mayikwazi ukuthi iyazenzela kuwe iyakufaulisha. That was done by iPirates first half. Second half okay abe khona ama changes waphuma umthetho kube sekubonakala ngoba abanye babadlali bathe ukuphefumula bathi hu like the likes of abo Police sephumile uLokhujana umthetho. Well done to uNdlovu uqhubekile nepace yakhe eyodwa yabo wabuyela uLelepo kwiposition yakhe yaqhubeka i-count wangena umdu yaqhubeka i-count wavuka noPulemoti sekungene umdu iThomi yabana yadlala. Yes iPirates okay ulimalile lo uMorem wangena uTito. Yeah, ulimalile wangena uTito ngokuthi iChiefs ibeyingekho ingubo zodwa esiswini. Imakiwe azange abe lo Tito mfanele. Uzamile uLokhujana unumber 7 wePirates ukukhuphuka overlap deliver macro akwenzekanga uhotel lento ajwayele ukuyenza and bebe frustrated ukuthi namhlanje siyenze lento esifanele esijwayele ukuthi siyenze. Kaizer Chiefs bekungase iKaizer Fish bekuyiKaizer Chiefs namhlanje.
And enye into umfukeng no Police iKaizer Chiefs benza sure ukuthi badlelela kude
yeah
ne-18 yabo nepali yabo
yeah.
badlalela kude yabona amasebenze kubabona futhi bebeze bedrop beshona emuva
dropile kakhulu uApollos uke wadropa kakhulu uApollos ukuye emuva ngoba kube kunesimo esibapho ukuthi mayephethe ibhola azaliphase emuva ngenxa yokuthi phambili akusayivi kuvaliwe.
I mean, I know this is a drop, but I just want to congratulate Kaizer Chiefs fethu. Labantu laba banihlambalaza the first game. Yabo. Kwaze kwaba ne strike sama supporters ukuthi we can't lose like this our home game. And then they listened, they responded. Our players they put 100%. Most of them put 100%. Then I will give it for them. I will keep our boy.
Yabona man of the match noma yabona ngingakhulumi nge man of the match Peterson ubeyilwela le clean sheet uNdlovu no Peterson ibona abantu abebe number 1 cause nomthetho ukuthi iPirates ingayiwini le game le yeah igol le Pirates lingenile ngoba umthetho engasekho yeah well done to ukuthi ngicanga ukuthi uApollos obe assist lahlangana naye laphana sey attack iPirates usibelebele well usibelebeleke akuvamisile ukuthi ageje makule ya goal hence istrikers zePirates azange siwathola ama best chances indaba ibingekho egulayo ibingaguli istrike esingayifuni uMahoba iKaizer Chiefs got no chance Mbutuma got no chance indaba ibingaguli iChiefs ayifakanga ingubo zodwa onco le ngubo zodwa ezuda Silva zingenile second half umdlalo usuyophela
zapheza bheda futhi
yabo ayizange ibe khona iimpact nani mina bengingasho ukuthi increase iimpact beza sala okay bengizamenza aqhubeke uLilepo abe number 9 ngikhethe lapha kovele by no Vilakazi nani ukuthi ngifuna abantu noma athiwa bezikora abazoyidrebula iPirates ingezikwazi kuba nayo attacking momentum ngoba sengimkhiphile ubani umthetho
futhi ubona ukuthi uHotho benganyuki kakhulu
ngoba benomuntu occupyile
azi ukuthi I have to think about that man ngishiya ngemuva angikwazi ukuphela ngihambe nje
yeah Kaizer Chiefs itadishile iPirates ngokungafaki ingubo zodwa introduce umthetho ngeke ayisho yento kulika ama videos ethu ngathi uyabona ama midfield umthetho mabu uNdlovu very good bangenile igoli lingenile ngefirst half nope of which next time noma athiwa noma ngayinini iChiefs mayinaleya sisu lesiyana there is no chance for ukuthi iPirates iwine iSoweto derby
and ngaphandle ukuthini I think the game le yamadlala bePirates bebasinda because ubonile kusaqala abanye beluza ama pass ethe trap umuntu ibhola eliphumele ngaphandle
Makhawula wasindi Makhawula we know
I think yasinda manje and 88,000 people say oh yeah
bemeche pound to pound akekho umuntu othe ngizazenzela la
and umfukeni funa ayikho into
uNdlovu azange lokhuja azange amnike thuba
ebengamhloniphi man
bengamfuni akafuni uNdlovu akafuni uNdlovu mafukwane ukuthi iyona iplayer of the season in le ngizoyikhombisa ukuthi ngubani wena uRafli ube wajaja mangabe edlale kabi uNdlovu abanike ifree kick kodwa amanye ama pound to pound ubeyithathela ibhola enganeni lithathwe enganeni le goal yabona kuze iChiefs ikore thathwe ibhola enganeni lanika abantu abadala bayokora of which kube umthetho bezangaphumi ngaba banala abanye igoli angazi ke kodwa ngoba ngaba banala abanye ngoba zange libe nesandla sikaShabalala leliya goal libe nabadlala bebekhona vele groundini akusiyi substitute ebene impact leliya goal of which abanye bebengeke babe nayo ichance yegoli ukuba akaphuma ngomthetho hayi beyinjalo namhlanje.
So do you think isithini kwi league manje because
iChiefs ithathile ifoni yafonela eMamelodi kuthi cha thina anisifuni nihambe indlela ende kangani ize Soweto uzani soxoxa khona into esizofuna ukunixoxela yona singiphathele indaba ezimnandi mayelana nendaba yenu ye league
yabona mfethu mongathola umngani o deliver ama promises njenge Kaizer Chiefs
empilweni kunga right ukuthembana empilweni
kunga right empilweni yakho bafethu sobuya ngomdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns danke siyabonga.